इफीचे आयोजनातली कोफुसावा सोडोवंक इफी उपरांत यत्न जातले अशें केंद्रीय माहिती आनी प्रसारण मंत्री मनीष तिवारीन म्हणला। गोय आनी केंद्रा मदीं इफीचे आयोजनात दर वर्सा कोफुसावा आनी गोंधळ जाता म्हूण मिडियान विचारले तेन्ना तिवारीन ही जाप दिली। मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार म्हणटा इफीच्यो कार्यावळी सरकारी पैसो नासतना प्रायोजकां वरवीं जावं शकतात, मात मुळावे सुविधांचेर सरकाराकूच पैसो घालचो पडटलो। गरज पडल्यार केंद्रा कडेन मागतले।
Every bilateral center-state cooperative effort should not be characterized as an assault on federalism. Government of India and the government of Goa have worked together. Wherever we've had concerns, they've tried to accommodate it. Wherever they've had concerns, we've tried to accommodate them. So it's been an effort in cooperative federalism. So therefore, if at all, as I said, that at the end of this 10-day process, we will review the entire gamut of the activity which has unfolded, and if at all, there are any areas where there is improvement which is required. Life is a learning experience. We learn from every experience and try and improve ourselves.
Operative cost can ultimately be self-sustaining, but I don't think capital cost can be self-sustaining, because ultimately we are promoting cinema, Indian cinema, for the world, and it is a destination concept. Therefore, the operative cost can become self-sustaining, because it can be sponsored if you do it properly in advance. So we'll go for that, but capital cost will have to be borne by government, and wherever required we'll take help from the central government on that issue. Central government has already expressed its desire to help. We are going after this film festival. We are immediately going to festival theatre. By December, more or less the place, because we have to work out on many other factors. I don't want to load the traffic, so all those aspects have to be taken. By December that will be done.
शिवसेनेचो मुखेली बाळासाहेब ठाकरेच्यो अस्थी गोंयान पावल्यात। बुधवारा सकाळी त्यो मडगांवां लिंगायत सभाघरान अस्थी कलश दर्शना खातीर दवरिल्लो। फुडले 1-2 दीस ह्यो अस्थी पणजे दर्शना खातीर आसतल्यो। बिरेस्तारा पणजे टीबी कुन्ना सभाघरान अस्थी कलश दवरतले। 23 तारखेर पणजे शोकसभा जाले उपरांत हरवळ्या अस्थी विसर्जन जातले।
आज मडगावमध्ये लिंगायत हॉलमध्ये अस्थिकलश दर्शनासाठी ठेवण्यात आलेले आहे। उद्या पीडी कुन्ना हॉल पणजी येथे ठेवण्यात येणार आहे आणि परवा सकाळी हरवाळ्याला अस्थि विसर्जनाचा विधी होईल। बाळासाहेब ठाकरेच्या विचारांनी प्रेरित असलेले लाखो लोक गोव्यात देखील आहेत। इतर सर्व राज्यामध्ये देखील अस्थि दर्शनासाठी अस्थिकलश नेण्यात आलेले आहेत आणि त्यांचं देखील दर्शन वेगवेगळ्या राज्यात हिमाचल प्रदेश, जम्मू काश्मीर, उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, गुजरात या सर्व राज्यामध्ये अस्थिकलश गेलेले आहेत। महाराष्ट्रभर सर्व जिल्ह्यात, सर्व विधानसभा क्षेत्रामध्ये अस्थिकलश दर्शन आज आणि उद्यामध्ये होणार। त्याचप्रमाणे इथे गोव्यात देखील आज होत आहे। मी समजतो की आज जी महत्त्वाची घटना घडलेली आहे की आज अजमाल साहेबला फाशी देण्यात आलेली आहे।
दाबोळ विमानतळा लागसार पार्किंगा खातीर जमीन ताब्यान घेवपी अधिसूचना रद्द करपी आदेश सरकारान बेगोबेग फाटीं घेवन ही जमीन पार्किंगा खातीर दिवची अशी मागणी फातोड्डेचो आमदार विजय सरदेसायन केल्या। त्या सुवातेर बिल्डिंगो बांदल्यार देशाच्या सुरक्षेक भिरांत आसा अशें विजय म्हणटा। इतले मजगतीं पार्किंगा खातीर दुसरी जागा मेळोवन दितलो अशें मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान सांगलां।
This whole parking land scam is a state sponsored fraud. आता एक लेटर म्हजे कडेन आहा from L.K. Agarwal, he is the Commander, Chief Staff Officer for Flag Officer Commanding. तो clearly सांगता हे लेटरान, although it is written as confidential, पण हे लेटर म्हजे कडेन हांगा आहा। तो सांगता की उमिया डेव्हलपर्स म्हणून जे प्रोजेक्ट थंय बांदतात, वो प्रोजेक्ट इज अ सिरियस थ्रेट टू मिलिटरी, VVIP and civil aviation security. I am quoting, as the area can be used as a safe haven for disruptive elements and for valuable intelligence gathering due to full view and access to runway by civilian population. Hajer अशें दिसता की the denotified land has to be immediately acquired. And this case is a clear case of corruption, nepotism, favoritism.
Only airporटाक जितलो parking जाय पळय तितली वेवस्था करतले. How to do it is my job. Let airport authority put up the request. We will call the meeting and do necessary whatever. If required, we can even acquire whatever land they want, including the land dropped. But before that, the Congress should admit that their chief minister and their minister made money out of that dropping. Then I will acquire it.
आता घेऊया एक विसव.